What if you could see the live screen of every computer in your company? In this video, in this video, I will show you exactly how the software Wolfeye Remote Screen lets you do that in real time, right from your dashboard. Let's jump into the dashboard and see how it works. Hi, my name is Angel from wolfeye.de, and this is what I would like to show you in this video, so to speak, how you can see all the live computer screens in your company. So this is how it works. This is how it works. When you install Wolfeye Remote Screen in each of your company's computers, you will receive a dashboard like this. This is the demo dashboard, okay? So you will receive a password. The password for the demo is 12345, but you will set your own password and you log into your demo. Excuse me, into your dashboard. You log into your dashboard and we'll see the live computer screens of each of the computer in your company that you have installed the Wolfeye Remote Screen software. So in this dashboard that you see here, one particular screen for each computer, and this is the live screen. Live screen means it is a screenshot updated every 3 seconds. So every 3 seconds, the screen is updated. I will see if in another video I can use one real example, because here you only see a picture. This is a demo picture, so to speak. But in real life, you will see here the live screen of that particular computer. Also, on the top of the page, you have the possibility to change if you want 3 columns or 2 columns. In 2 columns, you see the screens much bigger. The screens that will be a 3-second update of the live screen of the remote computer, or change it to 3. If you wanted to monitor one particular computer, you can right mouse click and open in a new tab. And let's see here. No, that's not what I wanted. Open in a new tab. Yeah, no. And it opens in a big screen. You can change the size here. It gets bigger and changes size. That would be the live screen of that particular computer that you just selected. Okay. And also you have the possibility to check after a day or after 2 days by going for each of the particular computer, going into history, right mouse click to the history, but for each computer. For example, here the history. You open it to the history, and a dashboard opens where every 5 minutes a screenshot for that particular computer has been made. This is only a demo. You can change if you want 10 or 20, 30, 40 in one screen. Screenshots of that computer. You click it and the screenshot is big again. And so you will have the screenshot history here of that particular computer. So this is actually what you will get, and that way you will be able to monitor each of your employees' computers without them noticing it, because in my view that's really very important. And for that I say you must check with your lawyer if in your location and where you're operating and for your purposes using Wolfeye Remote Screen is legal. Yeah, so we do not give legal advice, but it depends on the country you're operating, on the purpose that you want to use this software for. and that depends. So please take legal advice if you in your country and your situation for your purpose and in your company are able to use the software. One is clear: Wolfeye will never be detected by the employer because it hides in Task Manager. It runs hiddenly in the background and will not be noticed by the user in any way. And that's what I would like to show you now in the next step. Basically, so I would like to tell you, please come to our website. Come to our website here, wolfeye.de. Come to our website and go to start a new trial. I will post the link below, and set a Google Meet session with us. And in this Google Meet session, I will first use Wolfeye on my computer, share my screen with you in the Google Meet, and demonstrate to you how it works. So you will be able to see my live screen using Wolfeye Remote Screen. And we'll see exactly how Wolfeye Remote Screen works. And the second step, if you want, is that we install Wolfeye Remote Screen on one or two of your computers so that you will be able to use it for some weeks. On one or two computers, because then you will be able to install it on all of your computers. After me guiding you how to install the software on your computers, you will be able to quickly set up the software by yourself on your remaining computers. You install it and have your own dashboard. Your own dashboard you will receive. Okay. Um, so that's how it goes. And if we together install it on your computer on one or two, I said I will guide you. This is how it is installed, and this is how Wolfeye works basically. This is how it works. The software that you download is is this one. The Wolfeye setup is the software that you will download. We will do it together. But before you execute the software, you must put the Explorer. Explorer C users public documents. C users public documents. This path we copy it because that's the path where Wolfeye is installed. The installation path of Wolfeye is that. And that's why on each of the computer you put that path, that particular path, into your antivirus exception list. You go to virus and threat protection, virus and threat protection settings, scroll down to exceptions, and here you add that folder, the whole folder, you add it to the antivirus exception of your antivirus program. And then after you have done that, you can go to the setup and double click the setup, install, and launch the software. And this is Wolfeye. That's Wolfeye Remote Screen kernel. It hides in Task Manager, as I said. And to run it, it's very easy. You first click the green button that says Share Screen. You click it, and the moment you click it, it will already have created a live screen URL link. Then you could send the scripted link, but you don't need that. And you click the blue button. You hit the blue button, and the software disappears. That was the installation. It was a few clicks, right? It is very, very easy and very, very fast. So please come to our website. I will post the link below, wolfeye.de. Book a demo session so that I can demonstrate the software to you and I can guide you install it on one or two computers of yours, so you will be able to install it on the remaining of your computers and test it, use it for some weeks. I'm happy to hear from you. Have a nice day.